my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and hope you all are doing well. So yes, today I will be reacting to ATEEZ. This is, I think, their debut song, Pirate King. That's what I've been told, and it's been a while since I've reacted to ATEEZ. The last one was Wonderland. And you know, I love this group. I just love this group so much. I'm so wanting now to listen to more of their songs, and I know they also have a storyline going with their albums. So yes, Pirate King reaction is here. ATEEZ, let's just get into it. Okay. Wow. Oh wait, subtitles. I always, this is like the third or fourth time that I'm forgetting the subtitles. Whoa! Oh my god, the location! They look so different. Oh, wow. Wow! They went to a desert to shoot their debut song? Respect. I like how it starts, and it has such a Middle Eastern vibe to it. You know what I mean? You know, looks great. Woo! Wait, the lyrics. Flip this game, I get like, oh, sail on your feet and oh. Yes, Jungkook. This is their debut song? This is their debut song? Oh my god. You know what? They really don't look like, if this is their debut song, I'm telling you, they really don't look like rookies. Oh my god. They are awesome. I'm gonna stick to my, statement that I said earlier. They're gonna be the next big thing. ATEEZ, they're gonna be huge. Your son looks such a baby. Look at the beat. Oh my god. Damn, his vocals. Oh, the beat. Oh, this beat is awesome. Oh, this. Oh, I understood now. This is their, this step is like they are sailing the boat, the ship, I'm sorry. So is he the captain? I'm trying to figure out, because the song is called Pirate King and they're literally dancing in a desert. So why this contrast? ATEEZ, because now that I know there is a storyline, so please let me know why there is a contrast. And I understood this step. So is he the captain? Is he the pirate? Who is he? What is Hongjoong playing then? See? He's the captain of the ship? Buddy's vocals are so good. I love Jungho. Like Jungho's high notes are another level, but even even San's vocals are so good, so good. Oh my god. What's that note? Yes! Hold my hand. I'm guessing it means hold my hand, right? But why would they put a wrong subtitle? Let me know. I think it's hold my hand. We can go anywhere together. Hold my hand, because it's pointless to go alone. Jungho! Oh my god, this song is so good! My god. What? Oh, that last part. That last part. Oh wow! Just wow! Treasure episode 1. So are they in look for a treasure? That's why the song is Pirate King. They are in lookout for some sort of a treasure basically. So this is the point where their journey has started. Is that the case? Let me know. Okay, wait, let me first shut this. I love ATEEZ. I just love them. This is their debut song. ATEEZ, oh my god. They are so good. I cannot believe that they are like rookies. They were rookies at this. When this song released, they were rookies. They are awesome. I just love them. My heart is, oh my god. Just take a piece of my heart, guys. I love them. I love them. There are certain times when you really wish, for something, you really wish the best for someone. It can be your friend, your partner, and there are moments where, that best wish or that appreciation comes from the heart. And that's what I feel for these guys. From the bottom of my heart, I wish that they get recognized more and more across the world. Because they deserve it. They are so good. This is the 4th song of theirs. Every song is so... Inception, oh my god, the first time I listened to Inception, I lost my mind. Then Thanks. Then Wonderland, though I was... And now this. This is such a different song from whatever I've listened to, and all the beats of all the songs, be it Inception, Thanks, Wonderland, and this Pirate King. The beats are so different and so catchy, and you can just get every song that you listen to, all these 4 songs that I've listened to, you just get hooked. It is that kind of song where you just get hooked from the first beat itself. It is so catchy. It is so catchy. So whoever has composed this song, I applaud you. I love this. I absolutely love this. Cannot wait to get into the storyline. So I'm gonna go in sequence now. So this is the Pirate King. Let me know what is the second song I'm supposed to react to from Treasure episode 1. So the Treasure album basically. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to ATEEZ Pirate King. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you will subscribe if you're a K-pop lover. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.